You can read a floor plan and still not know how a room will feel. So an app developer, building his first house, built it at full size and walked it before the walls went up. He rebuilt the flat plan as a full-size three-dimensional copy of the house. Then he stepped inside it in a Vision Pro, a headset that fills your view with a computer-made world, and walked through the house at real body scale. Standing inside told him what a plan never could. He could feel whether a hallway was cramped. He changed real design decisions before anything was built. Anyone building or buying off a plan could do the same. The method itself is simple. You take the flat floor plan and pull the walls up into 3 dimensions, leaving gaps for the doors. You paint on materials so it isn't blank grey: wood, stone, glass. Then you save it as a 3D file the headset can open and step inside. Here is the surprising part. Painting on materials adds depth, but it doesn't fix scale. A bare apartment feels huge until your furniture moves in and shrinks it. So he dropped in real-size furniture: a bed, a desk, a couch. Now the bedroom reads as the right size or the wrong one. Familiar objects, not fancier graphics, are what give a room its scale. There is a coder. Once the plan was settled, his architect gave them a polished, professional 3D tour. But after walking the place themselves at full body scale, they already felt like they knew the house. The land is still an empty patch of dirt. He has already walked through the house. He put his viewer app's code on GitHub. It is a rough personal project, not a product. But walking a home at true scale before it's built is possible today.